Sean, what do you have on your plate?
I have on my plate.
Yeah. Fried rice. What do you usually add on fried rice?
Mr. Kim.
What do you usually add on that rice?
What do you add?
Soya sauce or fries?
Oil, I add grease, I add butter.
Is that how all Americans eat?
Yes.
Epic mealtime.
Is that how you guys eat?
Nope.
No? I guess it's just you, Sean.
That's because they are not truly Americans.
But
Right.
Christians,
That's Korean.
I'm Canadian.
but Christian's kind of small. He's American too. How come he doesn't eat like that?
He's not a real American. Real American. Otherwise, I eat 3 sticks of butter in 1 day.
3 sticks of butter in 1 day.
3 sticks of butter.
And maybe 600.
Sorry, someone is serving
That is real
fried rice, Vic. Do you add soya sauce with that?
Nope.
No.
That's all
Do you add soya sauce with that? No? Kyle, do you add soya sauce with rice? No? Huh, Sean, I think you're the oddball here. No one adds soya sauce with rice. Do you?
I wanted soy sauce. I said I wanted bacon, grease, and butter.
Okay, I'm sorry. So, what nationality are you?
I am vegetarian.
Okay, say bye.
Have a good day. Good reading.